Why do USA, Israel and India want to stop Pakistan's rise? There are 5 main reasons. 1. Pakistan is the pivot state of the 21st century. It is at the center of the superpower battle between China, Russia and Turkey on one side versus USA, Israel and India on the other side. The battle lines have been drawn. Whoever takes Pakistan controls the 21st century. Access and control over 80% of oil and other trade routes is at stake. That is also why this battle has been called the Great Game. 2. Pakistan is the only Islamic state with advanced nuclear capability. This capability threatens Israel the most, as the ability of Israel to bully the Islamic nations is reduced with this threat. Otherwise, taking over all of the Middle East is a cakewalk for Israel. India is threatened by Pakistan's superior nuclear capability because it can't attack Pakistan. 3. If China-Pakistan economic corridor in the Gwadar port succeeds, Pakistan succeeds. Pakistan will become financially independent from IMF stranglehold. This is bad news for the IMF and other lending mafia, backed by the multifaceted Zionist Rothschild criminals and others. 4. UAE has the most to lose from the rise of Pakistan. The existence of UAE in its current form is because of flight money from other Islamic countries, such as Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, Lebanon, Syria etc. If there is peace in these countries, then no one has the need to go and live or invest in UAE. Gwadar and the connecting industrial zones in Pakistan are a much better option for investor because Pakistan has everything to offer, including lots of rich fertile land, instead of a hot and arid desert. Keep in mind that China invested in Pakistan and Gwadar for very strategic reasons. 5. USA and India have built their entire military and commercial relationship on the success of India as a regional superpower. This obviously is only possible if Pakistan is subjugated and made a client state of India, just as Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and a few others. Pakistan is the only country standing in India's way to seize total regional hegemony. Pakistan is rising and will continue to rise. Pakistan Zindabad.